Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, in this short video, I will tell you that how to use Google Workspace Calendar. So first of all, you need to open up your browser here, and after opening up your browser here, you will need to type here like this Google Calendar here, and then you will press enter, and you need to open up this first link, which is the calendar.google.com, and you must sign in to your Gmail account, okay, like this, as I have signed in my this Gmail account. So you need to actually sign into your Gmail account. So this is the Google Calendar here, and you can always actually when you open up this link, you will see this kind of interface here. This is basically the calendar, okay. So you can always hide this window from this three options here. If you click on it, it will expand, okay. And you can always basically like if you wanted to see the dates as per day, like on day, you can always do this, okay. Like today is 20th April, and if you wanted to see it as monthly, you can always do this as well. This is okay. And if you wanted to see this yearly, you can always do this as well. Like this is January, February, March, and we are on this April here. Today is 20th April, but I will do this weekly because this is good, okay. So the next thing is that you can add events and reminders in Google Calendar here, okay. So how do we do this? If I go this to like day, or okay, let's do this weekly, okay. So let's suppose that on coming Saturday, if I wanted to add an event, how can I do this? I will just click on the blank space here, and this type of window is appear, and here I have to add the title, okay. So let's suppose that I get this Eid trip, and then here you can see three different options. The first one is event, and then task, and then reminder, okay. So if you want the a reminder, then you can actually tap on this one, and you can check whether this reminds you all the day or not, okay. And you can actually set the custom time as well, and then you can actually set this one, that does this repeat or does this not repeat. But we will go for the event here because it has the main option for us, okay. So the second thing that you can basically add here, that you can actually add guest here, okay. So let's suppose that if you are planning a trip with someone else, you can actually add the guest here. So you just have to add their email here, okay. But but first you need to tap on this more options here, and it will expand it, and now we will get a better view, okay. So let's suppose that if you wanted to add more persons to this trip, so how you can actually do this, you just need to add their email here, okay. So let's suppose that if I wanted to add this person here, so I will just add their email here, and then here it says that how you want them to notify, like through email or through notifications. So I will just tap on email here, and then you can add basically time here, that when they will get the email here, okay. Before 9 a.m. they will get the email about the Eid trip, and then you can actually write something, a free message here, okay. Like let's go on trip like this, and when the email sent to this person, they will actually get to see this message. You can always like custom like edit this message here, and then you have this visibility here, okay. So whether you want this public or whether you want this private. If you want this public, then anyone can see this events detail, and if you give it private, then only this person will see this email detail. And after all the steps doing here, you can just tap on save here, and then don't send, and then as you can see that we have this Eid trip. And then if you click on this again, here we have this Eid trip again, okay. So now if you want to basically delete this event, you can just tap on this delete option, and the event will be deleted. And if you want to edit the event, you can tap on this option. And if you wanted to actually add more guests or more persons to the trip, you can just tap on this option here, and you can add their emails. So that's it for this video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.